welcome to My So Bliss. Today I wanted to share with you my Joann haul. I usually go to Joann about every 2 weeks, depending on how I'm feeling, sometimes once a week, but if I'm not, I usually have all the tools for all my projects, so it just depends. But this time I thought it would be fun to share with you what I got. I got some really fun fabrics, and I got some awesome patterns that are on sale right now, and that is the best time to buy patterns, so I wanted to share that with you guys. So typically when I go into a Joann store, I head straight for the fabric if the home decor doesn't catch my attention. Usually their front display is so beautiful and I just love it, so it always catches my attention. And I typically head there first. Mine this time was under renovation and like figuring out what the next season is gonna be, so I'm excited to go back in a couple weeks and see what it is. But for now, I headed straight to the fabric, and I just love their fabric section. I feel like they've gotten so much better and so much more and more diversity. Before, I felt like it was just a ton of quilting and I couldn't really find apparel fabric. But nowadays, I can find so much apparel fabric that I should stop going there or my husband is not gonna like it. So the first thing I found was this gorgeous yellow. Okay, I am so in love with yellow, golden yellow, I mean, whatever you want to call it. It's like the prettiest fabric. And you can see I got a lot of it. I got 3 yards. I'm super excited about it because this is my favorite color of all time. So you will notice, if you haven't already, that I just love anything in yellow, especially for myself. So this is a knit fabric. It's really thick, actually. Some knits can be really thin, and that's where I have a hard time buying them online. But this one is just super nice. It's pretty opaque. You can't really see through it. Maybe if you shine it up to the light, it'll see through a little bit. But I just really like it. It's still lightweight, but it's thick enough that it's perfect for like a dress or a t-shirt. And I just thought this would be perfect for a dress. So I got super excited about that. I got 3 yards of it. I'll put a link down below to all the things I'm going to be talking about. There's one fabric that I cannot find on their website and I'm so bummed about. But that fabric is this gorgeous one. And this one and the yellow one were both part of the spring garden collection. But this one, I'm not sure why, was on the clearance. So it was actually 60% off of, I want to say like $21. That would make the most sense, I think. So it was like $8 a yard. And so I just got the rest of it, which was 1.5 yards. So not a ton, but I thought like it would be a fun shirt or maybe squeeze a skirt out of it. I'm not really sure yet. And it's kind of like the yellow. It's a little bit different. It's not as stretchy. It still has stretch to it, one direction. So this way, not so much stretch. This way, a little more stretch. So very pretty. I really love this. I'm loving this color. I don't know. I just was really drawn to it. It's not my typical fabric choice. I'm usually for the bright colors, if you haven't noticed. But this I just thought was really fun and kind of a little more understated for me. So it's a perfect, but this one, like I said before, I don't have a link for, but I'll put links below for the spring garden collection, which is really gorgeous and has some great apparel fabrics. Then I had my 2 little boys with me. One of them is 4 and one of them is 1.5. And the 1.5-year-old had on some really cute Mickey Mouse jammies the other night, and the 4-year-old was very jealous and wanted his own Mickey Mouse jammies. So I told him we would go to Joann's or to the store and we could have bought jammies, but I thought it would be fun to make them because I really like making them clothes, if you haven't noticed in my videos as well. So I found this one, which I just love, classic Mickey Mouse. I actually really like that it's on the gray because then you can mix and match with other colors. Or I was just thinking of doing some ribbing for like some sleeves or the neckband in black and just do like a t-shirt for each of them. I'm thinking maybe just regular t-shirts, not even just pajamas, but doing regular shirts for him. So I have that one, and then I am just pulling it out of the bag right now, so that's why you hear the crinkling. And then I also saw this Mickey Mouse one, and I don't know why, this red really pulled me in, and I just love it. So some fun little Mickey Mouse heads. And then this one, I just thought that was funny. I don't know. I've never seen Mickey Mouse make that face. But my son, my 4-year-old, my 1.5-year-old kind of does it. But my 4-year-old makes a face just like that where he's like, I don't know. It's so funny. And so that kind of reminded me of him. And so I was like, oh, that would be so cute. And again, like so cute for a t-shirt or jammies. But I'm thinking a t-shirt with like black ribbing would be so cute for them. And then they can be matching because I know matching my kids with each other and then with me, it's just so fun. So I got those as well. So that is all of the fabric I got. I'm sure I could have gotten a ton more, but I restrained myself and just got those 4 pieces. So I'm really proud of myself. And right now the Mickey Mouse is on 30% off, I believe. And then this, like I said, was 60% off. And this, I believe, was 40% off. So I'll leave links down below for all of them that I can find at least. So then I headed over. The real reason I went to Joann's was not the fabric, surprise, but it was actually for the patterns. So their patterns, every once in a while, will go on really good discount. Like I never buy a pattern at full price. I don't think you ever should. The only reason I ever bought a pattern at full price was because I was going to college and we had to get a blazer pattern. We had like a due date to get it, a certain type, and I didn't know much about sewing at the time. So I was just like, okay, I gotta go to Joann's and I gotta get this pattern and hopefully it's on sale. I think I used a coupon, so luckily it was a little discounted, but of course it wasn't full price discounted. But so for this time, for this trip, the simplicity patterns were $1.99, which is really good. At one point, I have seen them be like 10 for $10, so $1 each, which is like the best thing ever for certain brands. So usually I will stock up when they have a sale like $1.99 or 10 for $1. Or the Vogue ones I've seen $4.99, I think is the lowest I've ever seen them. But I could be mistaken. Maybe there's times I've missed it. So, but it's just really good to pay attention to those patterns because even if you're not going to sew them now, it's good to have them later on. And that's usually what I've done with all my patterns. So the first one I got was this simplicity one. I really loved this dress. I think I was more drawn to the fabric actually. Good job, simplicity. But now I need the fabric. And so I got this. It's Simplicity 8875. But yeah, just really love View B. View D is really cute too with those flutter sleeves. So sometime I'll make it. I don't know. That's the thing. I don't go in with plans to make them right away. I just go in and see what I like. Sometimes I'll have them saved on my phone of what I want. And then I'll go buy them and when they're on discount because then eventually I have them on hand and I will sew them. And then I also saw this dress in the book and I really loved this dress too. And after I saw this dress, I was like, that'd be perfect with my yellow fabric. So probably gonna make this one sooner rather than later out of the yellow fabric. I'm thinking of quarter length sleeves, maybe even shorter, so that I can wear it all summer. And then if it gets cold, I can just like throw on a jean jacket with it. Because wouldn't that be so cute? Jean jacket with the yellow. Okay, yes, love it. So that's really fun. And then just like the basic tee is really cute. I think this is more of like a crop style tee, but you can always lengthen it. I'm not a huge fan of the pants, but maybe someday I'll do more pants. Who knows? And then if you guys are following along on Instagram, there's a hashtag flashback sewing challenge that a couple ladies are putting on for the month of June. And so I was kind of looking at their vintage patterns and I actually found some, which I was surprised. I felt like I don't know, I'm not really into the vintage looks and styles but after looking at the patterns, I found things that I was like, yes, I can totally rock that. So I got this one and I actually thought it was really cool. Like it's an authentic simplicity pattern. So that's really fun. And it's more of like a tent dress, but I thought that would be really cute as even a pool cover up or just, I don't know, a cute dress to wear around the house. And I like how this white one like has the embellishments. So I thought that would be really cool to add on. So lots of ideas for this one. This is $76.50. And then I also found this one. I love a good flowy dress. So after seeing this one, I was like, ooh, maybe I should make this one for the challenge actually, because it's just so pretty, so like airy and flowy and just kind of a romantic dress. So I was very inspired by this one as well. So I got that one. And then lastly, this was kind of like last minute. It was sitting on the pattern counter and I saw it, these pants. I am not a huge sewing pants person, but I kind of want to be. I kind of want to try them more. I think it would be good to branch out. I love sewing dresses and skirts, and I'm getting more into tops, and now I'm like, okay, I should start doing more pants so that my wardrobe is more of a handmade wardrobe, because I just really love that. So I got this pattern as well, and I love when Simplicity does these patterns because they're really focused on the fit and making sure you get the best fit. So I love that. I've been needing some Capri Pants. Capris? I guess they're capris, not pants. So I've been needing some capris, and I thought these would be really nice, and I could use all different kinds of fabric with them. A linen. Oh, I just love linen lately. So this would be really pretty as a linen. So that is my Joann haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up because I would love to know if you want me to do these more often. It was really fun for me to actually chat with you guys and tell you all about my purchases and give you some ideas, I hope, and get some more ideas for myself. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought, and if you want to see more of what I'm making in my everyday life, make sure to check out my Instagram, my So Bliss, and make sure to sign up for our email list where I'm going to be sending out monthly emails of just tips, tricks, and whatever else is going on in the sewing world. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!